Now to the East Palestine train derailment. The air and public drinking water in East Palestine is safe. That is according to Governor Mike DeWine and the director of Ohio's Department of Health. Chief investigative reporter Craig Cheatham is looking into concerns about that information shared by state officials. What'd you find?
Tanya, during the news conference this afternoon, I asked Governor DeWine and Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff, the state's health department director, about concerns that state officials have prematurely downplayed health risks and shared information in a way that eroded trust in what they told the public. Nationally recognized environmental attorney Dave Altman says state officials have shared information that has proven to be wrong, contradictory, and at times appeared to downplay the health risks in East Palestine. On Tuesday, Vanderhoff appeared to repeatedly downplay the threat by saying that people are exposed to some of the most dangerous compounds in East Palestine when they pump gas. He said that it also takes more than a, quote, shorter exposure to a small amount of these chemicals to harm people, and that public drinking water was safe, even though he later encouraged residents in the area to drink bottled water and added that more detailed test results would soon be available. On Tuesday, an Ohio EPA official gave the wrong location for what was then a chemical plume in the Ohio River. Altman says that, among other comments, those undermine the credibility of the government's response.
People need credible information from government. They expect governments there to protect them. Ohio government needlessly shot itself in the foot on credibility.
We're very sensitive to the concerns and the anxieties that people have. We think that they are understandable, they are well-founded. But consistently, we have worked very hard to provide accurate information based on the facts as we know them.
Vanderhoff and Governor DeWine emphasized again today that they are making detailed testing results available online when those results are available. I looked at some of those reports, and some of them are huge. One of them, 243 pages long. Much of the test results in tiny print would be very tough for many people to understand what that says. DeWine says the data also shows that public drinking water and the air both safe, and that residents have no reason to be concerned about that. But it appears the soil hasn't been tested. On Thursday, the head of the Ohio EPA said the state has not taken samples from the surface for contamination. Craig?
All right, thanks for staying on top.